Hi, I'm Liam, the Senior Base Pilot from the Perth office in Western Australia. The eBeeX fits the training platform for the students in more ways than one. It allows them to get their hands on an aircraft that is more likely what they might be provided with for their particular organisation. So they're getting hands-on experience with a very similar, if not the same aircraft they'll be using, with the knowledge base from our instructors where we can actually teach them some of the things they may not have seen, heard about, or they actually get to put the aircraft through its paces before they take it up and fly it. Having a like for like and a very high-end quality aircraft makes that a really, really smart decision to use as a training platform. Yeah, so how we're manipulating the aircraft in flight with the laptop instead of using a handheld remote controller is via these little buttons that we can action. We can put the aircraft into a holding pattern and drag that holding pattern around the sky to move it from one area to the next. Yeah, overall it's a nice aircraft. Really smooth to fly. Yeah, it performs really well.
Aviassist provides comprehensive training on the eBeeX platform across Australia. For more information, contact us today at aviassist.com.au. Thanks for watching.